Hey, Dad.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm taking this door handle off.
What door handle?
This one. Hey!
What?
You know what this thing has?
Gratitude?
Gratitude. You know what she got?
What?
Look, look. She got butterfly windows. Woo! Swish, swish. Full-time RV life. Real full-time RV folk.
So you're changing the locks out? Hey, look, there's sunshine.
I didn't say I was changing the locks out.
Oh.
I said I was pulling door handle off.
Oh,
And you
oops.
didn't ask me why.
Why?
So I can get in here and change the door locks out.
Okay.
This is going to be fun. You gotta love Ford. You gotta love Ford. It doesn't have that dingy dink clip behind there. It's got a screw right here. I don't know if any of y'all remember the GM door handles where you gotta get in behind it and get that clip. But boy, I was surprised to see Ford did it this way.
Ooh.
Okay, there we go.
And that set come with everything you need, right?
Uh-huh.
For two.
So this one. Okay, and it appears that there is a left and a right. If you notice, that notch is on opposite sides.
Uh-huh.
And so you gotta get the one with the right notch for the right side. That little thing out, put it in this in the same way. Okay, and put it back on here. So that's back on there.
That's a new one on there.
Yep, and let's put it back on here. I'll have to get the key on there. Unlocks. How much easier was that than doing this on our Toyota?
Our Toyota still locks us out sometimes. What, you do not know?
They have rubber gaskets.
Oh.
So, let's see if I can just rubber gasket.
Fancy.
Look at the shape this door paper is in. And somebody's been in here before, so whoever come in and replace the speakers or whatever they did in the past did a really good job of preserving this. And hats off to them.
Oh. I remember we broke a couple in the truck.
At some point we might be able to just pop these out and replace them with some new ones. You just get some new ones to put in here because some of them
Right. Like that corner just came back out.
Yeah.
Well, that whole side actually.
So what I'll probably do is get some of those and get the ones you need, and then we'll finish this with new ones.
Cool. Oh, finger.
Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Take it out.
Safety is #1 priority.